Welcome to Exploratory Data Analysis, EDA, part of our Data Science Fundamentals course for AI practitioners. In this lesson, we'll explore the essential techniques that help us understand a dataset before building any models. EDA is about looking for patterns, anomalies, or insights using both visual and statistical tools. It's like a detective scanning evidence. You're searching for clues about how your data behaves. Throughout, we'll see real-life examples, reference useful software tools, and point you toward tutorials for deeper study. EDA involves summarizing datasets and visualizing them to understand their main characteristics. It's often the first step in any data science project. Before you decide on models, you need to know your data's structure. It might include identifying missing values, examining distributions, spotting outliers, and checking correlations. Imagine you've collected survey data from thousands of customers about their preferences for a new product line. Rows and columns of numbers can be daunting, but through EDA, you can reveal hidden trends. A quick histogram might show that younger consumers favor certain features, while a box plot might spotlight outliers in spending habits. One popular approach to EDA is using Python's Pandas library. Pandas provides convenient functions like head, info, and describe for quick overviews, plus tools for cleaning or reshaping data. Pairing Pandas with libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn helps create immediate visual insights. If you prefer a more visual interface, Microsoft Power BI is a popular choice for EDA. You can import your dataset, build charts, and apply filters without heavy coding. Interactive dashboards allow you to see trends in real time, making exploration more intuitive. Consider an e-commerce site wanting to analyze user behavior. Using a CSV of weekly sales, returns, and demographics, the team loads data into Pandas, checking data types and missing values. They switch to Power BI for interactive visuals, like bar charts of product categories driving revenue growth. They discover weekend traffic spikes for certain items, prompting an inventory shift. To sharpen your EDA skills, you'll need real data. Platforms like Kaggle host free datasets, housing prices, customer churn, or even environmental metrics. Another option is the UCI Machine Learning Repository, with classics like Iris or Titanic data. Charts make EDA truly insightful. Seaborn offers high-level functions for visually appealing plots, like distribution plots, pair plots, and heat maps. A correlation heat map, for instance, reveals which variables have strong positive or negative relationships. Correlation analysis shows how two variables relate, whether they move together or in opposite directions. In housing data, square footage might correlate strongly with price. But remember, correlation alone doesn't prove causation. Always consider domain context or deeper testing to confirm real effects. For those using Python, you'll likely pair Pandas or Seaborn with Matplotlib for customization. Matplotlib's official tutorials cover everything from basic plotting to advanced tweaks like annotations and interactive controls. If you haven't installed Python yet, head to the official site or consider Anaconda, which bundles Python and key data science libraries. That way, you can dive into EDA quickly without manual setup. A small sales team tracked daily performance in spreadsheets for months. Once they loaded that data into Pandas and did a quick summary, they noticed certain reps exceeded targets on Mondays, a pattern lost in raw tables. Switching to Power BI, they built dashboards updating in real time to monitor reps. To deepen your EDA knowledge, explore these recommended tutorials and courses. Kaggle's Intro to Data Visualization, Coursera's Data Analysis with Python, DataCamp's Exploratory Data Analysis, YouTube, Corey Schaefer's Matplotlib series. We've explored why EDA is vital, identifying data structure, spotting outliers, and visualizing distributions and relationships. We covered popular tools like Python, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and Power BI, saw real-life examples in e-commerce and sales, and listed tutorials for going deeper. EDA lays the foundation for accurate, reliable data analysis and modeling. When you master EDA, you can confidently tackle real-world challenges, optimizing marketing campaigns, improving patient outcomes, or monitoring environmental trends. EDA helps you spot opportunities or threats early by letting the data speak. Whether you prefer coding or a GUI tool, the principle remains: understand your data before acting on it.